Hello, my name is Tatiana Nilsson and I would like to show you how to knit ruching way speed knitting. I want to show you a ruching way of making a knit stitch through the back loop of the stitch. Wrap the yarn over the index finger, loop around it and let the yarn run across your palms freely. Place the thumb over the left needle and over the second stitch. Slip the first stitch. We do not knit it. So, this is the knit stitch. Insert the right needle behind the left needle. Pick up the yarn, bring it forward and drop the stitch. Move your thumb. Insert the needle behind the left needle. Pick up the stitch, bring it to you and drop the stitch. And repeat all stitches the same. This is the fastest way to make knit stitches. So insert, pick up and drop. Insert, pick up the yarn and drop. Insert, pick up the yarn and drop. The last stitch I usually knit as purl. So this is the right knitting